Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a shark tooth. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up, almost like a triangle, but I'm going to put a little bit of a bump in there. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to go in a bit, and then out, and then it's just going to kind of go back in at an angle. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. I'm going to go out, and I'm going to come in just a bit, and then I'm going to go back out like this, and I'm going to come down here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's going to come back down like this, and it's going to meet over here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and it's just going to go up and then back down, just kind of following that same line. Now for the bottom of the tooth. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's just going to curve up a little bit, and then kind of come back down, and then curve around here like this. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to be kind of like a broken line that's going to go right down the center. And then starting here, I'm just going to draw a little kind of broken curved line on this side, and then a little bit of a broken curved line on this side. Then I'm just going to add a few little lines of different lengths kind of coming down here. And then right in here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up here, and then a line that's going to kind of curve up here like that. Then right around the edge, I'm just going to draw a little line right around there. And then I'm going to put another one right over here, a little broken line. And there you go. There is your drawing of a shark tooth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.